Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy without heat. First, gather your supplies. You'll need granulated sugar, water, and a clean glass jar. Don't forget a piece of string, a pencil or skewer, and some optional food coloring to make your candy vibrant. This method is simple and safe, perfect for a fun kitchen project. We'll focus on creating the perfect supersaturated solution for crystal growth. Now, let's prepare our supersaturated sugar solution. For every 1 cup of water, you'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar. Combine these in a clean container. Stir the mixture continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This might take a few minutes of patient stirring. It's crucial that no undissolved sugar remains at the bottom, as this will affect crystal formation. Next, we'll set up our crystal growing apparatus. Take your string and tie one end securely to a pencil or skewer. On the other end, attach a small, clean weight, like a paper clip, to help it hang straight. Carefully suspend the string into your sugar solution, making sure it hangs freely and doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the jar. Cover the jar loosely and place it somewhere cool and undisturbed. Now comes the exciting part: waiting. You'll start to see tiny crystals forming on your string within a few days, growing larger over 1 to 2 weeks. Once your rock candy reaches your desired size, carefully remove it from the solution. Let it air dry completely on a piece of parchment paper before enjoying your delicious homemade treat. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.